Well, we had a downpour yesterday, but I put the food out, trying to cover it the best I can for the feral cats. I hope it stays dry. It's gonna be a quick one. Birds are all over. They are out. It's not terribly cold. I think it's about 49 degrees. So you're gonna see those babies. They're coming in. The birds are coming in. You can see them. See them. They're packing up the seeds. You see them? A hoarder. We have a hoarder. We have a hoarder. My goodness. My goodness. A bit of a hoarder there. Look at this one. What is he doing? What is this guy doing? My goodness. Anyway, we've got a lot of birds. That guy was especially hysterical. They were over here. A lot of the doves. Right there. That flew away. Out of all, I saw one squirrel. One. It was a downpour. I've got to pick that package up. Let's just take a peek. When I threw the nuts, I know we have some nesting now in the bushes here. Beautiful, beautiful nesting. They want me out of here, and I get it. I'm a predator in their eyes. Hi guys. They just want a little space too. I'm glad they have it's almost like a canopy in here for them to eat. You see that? But they use the low branches as perching. For perching. Look at that. This will keep some of them dry, but boy, it's raining like crazy. It is raining like crazy. My husband didn't go in. There we go, the crow. The crow, he's pissed. Forgive my word. I don't know if I'm allowed to say that. He's upset. There we go. Bird feeders are done. Water is nice and high, and I can only assume it's because it just poured. It was just pouring. Okay, guys. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe. And it is Thursday. It's May 22nd. I gotta go and bring the dogs for their grooming. Be well.